Hey, hi everyone. Today we worked on a bit of simple long division, but using a different kind of method. This is a good method if you're trying to learn long division, but you're struggling with the uh, with this symbol here and how to use it. This is a more visual way. It kind of breaks everything down. It might be more useful if you're struggling with that. So I have an example problem here. I have 7,722 divided by 3. So, obviously a lot of people know how to do it this way, but there is another way you can divide it if you're struggling with that. And I don't know what the name is, but it's like a box method kind of. So we have this rectangle and we're going to split it up into 3 parts. And we're going to write our uh, dividend. Yeah, the dividend over here. And then we're going to write the divisor. I might have gotten those mixed up, but 7,722 in the first box on top. Okay, and so also this on top of this box here is nothing. On top of this one is 1 0, this one 2 zeros, and this one 3 zeros. If you had 5 boxes, then the one over here would have 4 zeros. So this is there's also a blank here. So you're trying to fill in this blank. And the question is, how many times does 3 fit into 7,722 that is a multiple of 1,000? So let's try 1. So 1,000. 1,000 times 3 is 3,000. Okay, so that's smaller. What about 2,000? Well, 3 times 2,000 is 6,000. Okay, that's also smaller. What about 3,000? 3 times 3,000 is 9,000, and that's too big. So 2,000 is the biggest number we can fit in there. So 3 times 2,000 is 6,000. And then what we do is we subtract. And we subtract, we get 1,722. And then now we're going to write this number over here, over here. So 1,722. So now the question is, how many times does 3 fit into 1,722? That is a multiple of 100. So not 1,000, but 100. And well, let's say we did 100. 3 times 100 is 300. That's way too small. We'll try 600. Or yeah, 600. 3 times 600 is 1,800. That's slightly too big. So let's try 500, and 3 times 500 is 1,500, which is just under. So that's the number we'll use. You want to make sure that you choose a number that's smaller, but it maximizes how big it is. So you don't want to choose 100 because that'd be way too small, and you'd have too many remainders. You want to choose the biggest number you can fit in there. So we subtract this, and then we get 222. We're going to write 222 over here. And then now, how many times does 3 fit into 222? That's a multiple of 10. And the answer is 70, because 3 times 70 is 210. If you try 3 times 80, that'd be 240, so it'd be too big. So 3 times 70 is 210. We subtract, and we get 12. And then lastly, how many times does 3 fit into 12? Just 12 divided by 3. And of course, the answer is 4. And then 3 times 4 is 12. And there's no remainder. And now we just add all these numbers up, and that's literally just your answer. So 2,574. So I hope that is somewhat helpful if you're struggling to understand this thing here. And it's a good stepping block to reach that final step. So thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful.